Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Another gluten-free recipe because I love you so and you ask me so much and I love it. I love it making them now. Yeah, I love it. So this time, here it is. This recipe is not for the faint of heart and for people who doesn't have maturity to deal with intense, delicious things and can control themselves. I mean it, you know? You have been warned because this is amazing, addictive. I'm warning you, it's addictive and delicious. I said that twice, but it's because it is, all right? And because I'm excited. This is a gluten-free chocolate cookie, as you can see. So let me stop blabbing and I'm going to show you the recipe. So you are going to be as amazed as I am. So for this recipe, we're going to use oatmeal flour. Make sure it's gluten-free, all right? And to a bowl, we're going to add the sugar and the oil, which can be coconut oil, butter, or margarine. Then we add the vegan milk. I'm using coconut milk because it tastes delicious with this recipe. And we're going to mix it up. Vanilla essence, the oatmeal flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt to increase the chocolate taste, and some chocolate chips or chocolate drops. Cocoa powder, mix it all very well and allow the batter to rest for 5 minutes. Now, oatmeal flour is known to be to absorb the liquids very fast and much more than regular flour, all right? So it needs, because the cookies, they are firmer, all right? They are not like a cake. They're not supposed to be fluffy, only in the middle. But for this to happen, we need to allow the batter to rest. So the oatmeal will absorb all the liquids. And once you bake the cookies, they will keep its shape and will be, like I mentioned, crunchy around the edges and soft in the middle, softer in the middle, all right? Now, don't put them close to each other because they're going to expand, all right? Add some more chocolate chips on top. And we're going to bake it in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, okay? So, you know your oven. If it's a powerful oven, it will be 12 minutes. If your oven is a little bit slower, it will be 15. But it's never more than that, because otherwise your cookies, they're going to be too hard on the edges and they're not going to be softer in the center. That's the intention of this recipe, all right? Gotta have a lot of self-control dealing with this batch here. Right. Now, if you're going to freeze them, you can do so. Just make sure you separate them with a parchment paper so they don't stick together once they freeze, because then you can pull each one if you want one or two or all of them, right? Or if you're going to have them during the week, put them in a mason jar, for example, totally closed, all right? Because oats, they tend to get really dry, okay? Even after baked, if you make a cake or a bread using oatmeal, they tend to be a little bit drier. So put it in an airtight container, all right? So this is it for today. Tell me if you love this recipe. Please share with me on Instagram if you make it. I love when you tag me. My social media is over here, and recipe will be on my website as always, as well as in the description below. All right, under the video. Okay, so what else I was gonna say? Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.